Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can sign documents on iPhone. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the target document on your mobile device. It can be present on your mailing app or your Files app. Simply open the target platform and then access the target mail. Once you get to the target file, tap on it and it will open up. Now in iPhones, there is a markup feature that you can use on documents in real time. To access it, tap on the marker icon at bottom right corner, or if you have an older device, then it will be present at top right corner. Here, tap on the plus icon at bottom right corner and then select Signature from the menu. Now, sign on the screen using your fingers, and after you are done, tap on Done. After that, your signature will appear on the document. Simply place it wherever you want and then tap on Done. Now, it will be saved automatically and you can then send it to the target person. So that's basically how you can sign documents on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.